Hello guys, as I promise you I make video on ecosystem restoration topic. I'm making this video but this topic is too wide. So I making playlist on this and put all the new information and program which will be held in 10 years. Also some more information about how we will help to restore our environment by doing some common things. In this video, we are knowing some basic information about ecosystem and their types. If you don't watch it, my last video on Environment Day, then link is in I button. So let's get started. Ecosystem. This word is made by a two word, that is eco and system. Normally ecosystem means all the living things which are surrounding each other and living in specific environment by interlinking energy flow, mineral chain, food chain. Let me more simplify you about it by taking common example which we are already know, that is relationships between tiger, lion, plant, deer. As we know, deer eat grass and tiger eat deer, but do you know, if deer and tiger not die, then plant can't grow or even live their life. Basically everyone need to die just for someone benefit. This cycle is going from millions of a year, but as humans are growing and becoming more and more intelligent, this ecosystem are going more and more harm, and all peoples are facing COVID-like situation. For our survival, restoring environment is very important, because according to the scientists, there is a only 10 year for restoring all of this, that is 2030 is deadline for sustainable development, as well as it is large chance for catastrophic climatic change. For your kind information, United States are planning a type of ecosystem restoration plan. First is farmland ecosystem. Due to increase in population, we need more and more food day by day, and we conduct program like a green revolution. It increases food production, but just because using fertilizer, pesticide, soil going to unfertilized, and we have to restore them by doing some simple step like using organic fertilizer. Second is forest ecosystem. You people are aware that for our luxuries and city life, we cut millions of trees. Just because this lost many species from this environment, we have to plant all the same type of a species trees there earlier, not place any other alien species. Here alien species means other type of a plant. If you don't understand this concept, then comment down below. I will make video on alien species. Third is freshwater ecosystem. It luxuries to be clean and more water, but pollution, overfishing, infrastructure, industries, irrigation, and excess use of domestic water causing huge damage to this ecosystem. To restore freshwater ecosystem, we have to control loss of water. Fourth is grassland ecosystem. By cutting shrubs and grassland and start farming there, and also placing new alien species, this grassland is destroyed. So for restoring this grassland ecosystem, we have to remove alien species and put the seeds of grasses and shrubs which are earlier in there. Fifth is mountain ecosystem. Clearing slope of a mountain for farming and home cause damage of mountain due to this river getting polluted from the source itself. Due to rising temperature, we have to take care about it. 6 is marine ecosystem. Do you know there is a more variety of a species in a sea than in land? And now we are not explore all the millions of a species which live in a water, but marine ecosystem also in danger because of plastic and other waste material. So we have to control this by sewage treatment. Seventh is peatland ecosystem. By eliminating the carbon and water resemblance in a peatland by converting into farmland, this ecosystem is getting damaged. 8. Urban ecosystem. You people knowing there is a huge difference between town and city, but not only city but also town are getting polluted and losing the possibility of a restoration. But at the end we have to restore no matter what happen or what complicated situation are there. I praying we can complete our goal for the restoration. So guys, do some common things which are possible to you. Until I make new video on this topic, take little care about our Mother Earth and hit the bell icon of our channel to get a new notification of my new videos. Thank you.